Hi, my name is Rob Decker, and welcome to National Park Posters. I'm a photographer and graphic artist, and for the past 50 plus years, I've been exploring and photographing America's national parks. Now I'm creating WPA-style posters of these amazing places. In fact, I've just released the 2023 calendar, which features 12 iconic WPA-style posters of some of America's most beautiful national parks. So now you can enjoy your favorite national parks every day. The calendar is perfect for home, office, or even your home office. I hope you'll stop by the website and take a look at the calendar, as well as more than 75 posters I've created that celebrate America's history and culture, not to mention some of the most awe-inspiring places on earth at national-park-posters.com.